Another Firestick, buffering, not working, time to set up a new one. No, stop. You do not need to set up a new Firestick just because your Firestick is lagging, running slow. Are you having issues with it buffering when you're streaming something? Are you having issues moving around and navigating? We're going to run you through all the tricks, fixes, and even the final resort if you can't fix it by the end, which means you don't have to waste money buying a brand new one. So let's get on with it. First things first, obviously, if you can, hit that subscribe button and drop me a comment underneath which Firestick streaming device you use, 4K Max, Firestick, First Gen, Cube, or any other streaming device. Drop that in the comments for me. So here we are on our Firestick. First things we're going to get you to do is go across to your settings and make sure your device is fully updated. Amazon push fixes all the time. They add stuff to their software to make things work smoother and better. I know some of you don't like to update, but it's definitely worthwhile staying up to date so everything is compatible with the latest apps. So go to your settings, My Fire TV, About, and then check for update. I've got one come through today. I will install that straight after this video. Check yours, get it fully updated. Next one, what we need to do if your device is laggy is you need to make sure there's not lots of processes and other apps running in the background. Okay, the best way to do this is to go to your magnifying glass and type in here, background, apps and processes list. Okay, so you write background, go down and then click where it says background, apps and process list and get this installed. Okay, once it's installed, click open. And what this does is helps shut apps running in the background. Look at all these apps running in the background. Many of these I have not opened. I've not opened for a long time. They were just installed for a video. Okay, and they're running in the background. They launch on boot. So what you want to do is click on where it says close all apps. And what it will do, it will run you through them all. And you literally click on force stop and then push the back arrow on your remote. Okay, and then each one you push force stop on. And then back, force stop, 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 as you so on. What I need you to do, let me know in the comments how many apps you had open when you look at this app. Let me know how many you had open because I bet it's a lot. So I'm going to scrap that now. We have one left, but that so many apps using up resources in the background when you're trying to use your device. That will instantly make your device work quicker, better, and faster. Next up, go to your settings, go to network, click on your network itself, push the play button, and in here, run your internet speed, and it will tell you what sort of video quality you should be watching, okay? So based on your latest speed test results, mine says your internet speed can support up to 1080p video quality without interruptions, okay? It's not just down to your speeds, but it's down to all of your settings, whether it's interference, whether it's down to noise on your Wi-Fi network, everything like that. So run that test and see how it goes for you. Another option is also to check your main device. So your Firestick itself, check your Firestick is actually plugged directly into the side via a main power source. Do not plug it into your TV, plug it into the main power source so you're getting the correct power into it. Sometimes when your device turns off, when it turns off, it's because it's not getting enough power. Okay? Sometimes you also need to make sure you are using the adapter on the end of your Firestick, the little HDMI extender, to stop your device overheating. When they're wedged directly into the TV, the heat from the TV can overheat the device, which can cause it to run slowly. Next up, and the final resort, if your Firestick isn't working, the best bet, instead of buying a new one, is start from the beginning. Because generally inside it, unless it's maybe a first gen where they're just really outdated now, mainly nothing can really go wrong if you start from scratch. So what you can do is go all the way to settings, go to My Fire TV, and right at the bottom, reset to factory defaults. This will reboot your device. Okay, so when you click it, it will ask you, you are about to reset your Amazon Fire TV Stick device to its original factory settings. Your sign-in information and personal preferences will be lost. So just be warned, when you do this one, everything goes. Okay, everything disappears. Back to the beginning, then you will log back in, install your apps, set up from scratch. This is a great way to check you haven't got anything on there which shouldn't be. Great way to start afresh. I would always recommend doing this before you buy a brand new one. Okay, it's definitely worth it before you buy a brand new one, mainly because why wouldn't you? Okay, it's worth getting that fully reset. You've got a restart option. This is a good thing just to do every now and again, or pull out the plug socket and put it back in again, because Firesticks themselves do not turn off. Okay, unless you turn them off at the wall, they do not turn off, they just sleep. Okay, so they will go into sleep mode, a bit like a screensaver, but do not turn off. So every now and again, it's worth pull that plug socket out, do a restart just to reboot the device and get it clear. It's a great way to get it set up, great way to get it refreshed. You can hold down the play button and the select button on your remote. So you've got the select and the play. If you hold them down, if you can hold them both down, that will do a quick restart for you. Save you navigating to your settings, and it will do a quick reboot on your device and restart back up again. Brilliant. Those are my tips. If all of that fails, yes, of course, get onto Amazon, either send it back, try and complain first if it's not that old and not working very well, try and get a new one. If not, obviously upgrade, buy a new one. Obviously recommend the 4K Max. There is a brand new Cube coming out, it seems, so it's worth keeping a hold out for that as well. Brilliant. Before we leave, if you can, do remember, hit that subscribe button. We are growing fast at everything streaming. As you'll see on our channel here, we've got loads of videos regarding streaming, a lot regarding Firesticks, a lot regarding setups, all linked directly underneath and on the channel for you. And a quick word from one of our partners before you leave. If you are interested, we are partnered with IPVanish VPN. IPVanish VPN is great for your online security. It is great for your internet privacy. If you are after a VPN, link directly underneath is one of the cheapest prices from IPVanish. They pay us a commission. Obviously, that's how partnerships work. So if you wanted to help support the channel, you can subscribe for free. You can obviously hit that thumbs up button. You can also hit that share, all free. But if you wanted to donate, we don't accept donations. If you wanted to join a membership, we don't have memberships. But if you wanted a VPN, use one of our affiliated links. We get a small commission and you get that VPN you are after. That is linked directly underneath for you. Brilliant. Apart from that, I've been Doc Squiffy. This is the Doc Squiffy channel. Thank you all for watching as always, and I will see you very, very soon.